Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Handmade by Kel. Today I want to show you my what I call purple wonder. So the colors that I am using on this piece is Primary Elements Boysenberry. Next I'm putting down Pearl Ex Scarlet. That's a very pretty color. Next up is Primary Elements Peacock Feather. I have fallen in love with this color. You'll see me use it several times. It just turns out so pretty. And for the last two, we have TLP's Funk, which is another purple. You guys know my favorite is purple. And last is TLP's Sterling. I put my cell activator on top of that, and now we are ready to blow and spin. So here I am blowing it out, getting that cell activator over the colors. So listen, y'all, almost every time I am spinning something, it will go flying. Look at this, look at this, look at it. Look. I crack myself up every time. It's like it never fails. I probably should put something underneath it to make it keep from flying. But I thought, after the first time, I was like, oh, okay, it's not going to do it again. But yep, did it again. So look how beautiful those colors are. Just look. That is so gorgeous to me. So that's basically it. Once I finish spinning that out, you will see a close-up of how beautiful it is dried. And I haven't resined it yet, but once I do, I will make sure I post it for you. Thank you guys. Until next time, stay crafty.